Brake pads are a critical component of your vehicle's braking system. Over time, they accumulate dust, dirt, and debris from road surfaces, which can hinder their performance. Your car mechanic may not suggest this, but regularly cleaning your brake pads is an often overlooked maintenance task. It is essential for ensuring safe driving, prolonging the life of the braking system, and optimizing braking efficiency. So, you take the initiative and tell him to include this into the service. Here's an in-depth look at why cleaning brake pads is important for your safety. 1. Ensures safety. The brake system is arguably the most critical safety feature in your car. When brake pads are dirty, they can become less responsive, requiring harder and more frequent braking to stop the car. This places additional strain on the entire braking system, including the brake fluid, calipers, and rotors. Proper maintenance ensures that the braking mechanism functions efficiently, allowing you to stop quickly and avoid accidents. Worn or dirty brake components can lead to delayed response times, putting you at risk. Clean brake pads ensure that your braking system remains responsive. Brakes engage and disengage effectively with minimal pedal pressure. Reliable. Less risk of brake failure or reduced performance during critical driving situations. Consistent. Clean brakes offer predictable stopping power in all driving conditions, including wet or slippery roads. 2. Extends brake life. Over time, dirt, dust, and debris accumulate on brake components. This buildup can lead to increased wear and tear, causing brake pads and rotors to wear out faster. Routine cleaning and inspections can prevent this, ultimately extending the lifespan of your brake system. Example. A simple cleaning every few months can prevent premature wear of brake pads and discs, saving you money on repairs and replacements. 3. Improves brake performance. Brake pads work by creating friction against the brake rotors, slowing down or stopping the vehicle. When brake pads are dirty or covered with debris, they may not contact the rotor surface effectively, leading to decreased braking performance. This can result in longer stopping distances. Dirty brake pads require more pressure to stop the vehicle. Inconsistent braking. Uneven dirt buildup can cause vibrations or make the vehicle pull to one side. Regular cleaning removes contaminants like road grime, oil, or brake dust, which can diminish brake performance. Regularly cleaning the brake pads ensures that they maintain maximum contact with the rotor, allowing the car to stop more efficiently and consistently. This is especially important in emergency braking situations where every second counts. 4. Prevents brake seizure. Dirt and rust accumulation on brake calipers or pistons can cause them to seize, leading to uneven braking or complete brake failure. Cleaning and lubricating these components regularly can prevent this from happening. Example. During winter, snow and salt can cause brakes to rust and seize, leading to hazardous driving conditions. 5. Reduces brake noise. One of the most common signs of dirty brake pads is a squealing or squeaking sound when braking. If your brakes are dirty, they can produce annoying squealing or grinding noises. This is often caused by dirt or rust buildup between the brake pad and rotor. Regular cleaning can eliminate these noises, ensuring a quieter driving experience. Example. Cleaning the brake pads and rotors can eliminate that high-pitched squealing noise, which often signals a problem. 6. Preventing corrosion and rust. Brake pads are made from metal, and exposure to moisture, dirt, and road salt can cause them to rust or corrode. Rust buildup on brake pads and rotors can reduce their efficiency and lead to more significant problems if left unchecked. 7. Maintains fuel efficiency. Dirty brake pads can lead to brake drag, a condition where the pads do not completely disengage from the rotors after braking. This causes the vehicle to work harder to move forward, which can reduce fuel efficiency. By keeping your brake pads clean, you allow them to disengage properly, reducing unnecessary resistance and improving your vehicle's fuel economy. Well-maintained brakes ensure that your car runs smoothly and efficiently. 7. Enhances driving comfort. Smooth, responsive brakes lead to a more comfortable driving experience. You'll have greater control over the car, reducing jerky stops or unpredictable braking behavior. Example. Clean, well-maintained brakes ensure smooth stops, making city driving less stressful. 8. Prevents expensive repairs. Neglecting your brake system can lead to serious damage over time, including rotor warping, caliper failure, or even brake fluid leaks. These issues are often costly to repair. Regular maintenance helps you avoid these expensive fixes by catching problems early. Example. Regular brake fluid checks and flushes prevent corrosion inside the braking system, reducing the chance of costly repairs down the line. 9. Compliance with vehicle safety standards. Regular brake maintenance ensures that your car complies with safety standards required by most vehicle inspections. Well-maintained brakes are crucial for passing safety tests and maintaining your vehicle's roadworthiness. 10. Boosts resale value. A well-maintained brake system adds to the overall value of your car. If you ever plan to sell your car, a fully functional, clean brake system can be a key selling point and demonstrate to buyers that you've taken proper care of the vehicle. Example. A thorough maintenance record, including regular brake inspections, enhances the resale value of your car. Regular cleaning and maintenance of the brake system is not just a matter of car care, it's a matter of safety, performance, and cost efficiency. Whether it's ensuring quicker stops, avoiding costly repairs, or maintaining fuel efficiency, keeping your brakes clean and in good condition is essential for every driver. Make brake checks and cleaning part of your routine car maintenance to ensure a safer, smoother, and more economical driving experience.